Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on hundreds chart. The above hundreds chart is very useful in helping young students recognise patterns. Some useful patterns that are easily recognised are as follows. Even numbers. These can be found in every second column. I have highlighted these columns in red. Odd numbers. These can also be found in every second column and are not highlighted. Some more useful patterns that are easily recognised are as follows. The 3 times tables. These are the highlighted yellow columns. You can see how they're in a diagonal form. Beautiful patterns there, quite easy to see. The 9 times tables. These are also highlighted in yellow. As can be seen, all 9 times tables are part of the 3 times tables. There is a small red dot showing where these numbers are situated. So they are also in diagonals. Some more useful patterns that are easily recognised are as follows. The 11 times tables. These are the highlighted blue columns. The 12 times tables. These are highlighted in green and also form special diagonals. Can you find other patterns in the hundreds chart? Let's see how you go. So this is just a very simple video looking at the hundreds chart and just looking at some simple patterns that are contained in that particular chart.